This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
Know your country on Go MMT Radio.
Hello and welcome. आप सुन रहे हैं Go MMT Radio. मैं हूँ RJ Ruby and you know the one thing that I miss about school is the summer vacations. यार going for trips with family and exploring new places. नानी या दादी के घर जाना, अपने cousins के साथ वक्त बिताना, ढेर सारी मस्ती करना, दिन भर रास्तों में खेलना. I think that was what childhood was. लेकिन you know once you get to work, yes you can definitely take a planned summer break and you can go out with your family या friends. इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि why not ask you a very typical question since it's anyway summer कि are you a beach person या फिर mountain? I think I'm both, but I love mountains more because I think in this hot weather you really need a mountain which is very pleasant and very calm and beautiful, right? So, आज on Know Your Country segment, I'm going to talk about this beautiful place that is currently, while we speak, just 12 degrees. Yes, 12 degrees. Can you ever imagine where you are 12 degrees? No. So this place also experiences light rainfall and you can suddenly feel a cool breeze. And it's about 544 kilometers from Delhi. Any idea the place I'm talking about? It's a hill station. It's a beautiful hill station. बहुत सारे Bollywood movies वहाँ पे shoot किए गए हैं. Guess कीजिए ये कौन सी जगह है? We'll come back and I'll tell you more about it. Stay tuned. This is Go MMT Radio. मैं हूँ RJ Ruby.
देखूं मैं तुम्हें या देखूं कुदरत के नजारे, मुश्किलों में है ये दिल मेरा. माना तेरी सूरत की है चांदी 100% बिलो, मेरे दिल का सोना भी खरा. ये तेरी चांद बालियां है होठों पे ये गालियां, ये तेरी चांद बालियां है होठों पे ये गालियां, सोचने का मौका ना दिया है, मैं तो तेरे पीछे हो लिया. मैं तो तेरे पीछे हो लिया.
Your favorite MMT Black program has got an exciting upgrade. A short cashback on every trip, guaranteed hotel room upgrades, discounted flight add-ons, priority customer support and a lot more.
MMT Black, the ultimate travel loyalty program.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hello everyone, this is Shreya Tatia. I am from the online products department. You are listening to Go MMT Radio Headset Go.
Hey there, this is Shalini from online products department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio Headset Go.
Hey there, this is Utkarsh Mishra from the Revenue Domestic Flights Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio Headset Go.
Headset Go.
Know your country on Go MMT Radio.
वैसे आप सुन रहे हैं Go MMT रेडियो. मैं हूँ RJ रूबी और आज है नो योर कंट्री सेगमेंट और जिस जगह के बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ इट्स नॉन अदर देन मनाली. वेल इट्स डेफिनेटली अ प्लेस जहाँ पे यू कैन बीट द हीट एंड हम सब जानते हैं कि मोस्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया एक्सपीरियंसिंग हीट वेव्स एंड एक्सपीरियंसिंग अबाउट नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर्स, राइट. लाइक करंटली द हॉटेस्ट सिटी इन इंडिया इज श्री गंगानगर जो राजस्थान में है विद अ टेम्परेचर टचिंग अबाउट 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एंड अगर आप सोच रहे हैं just 40 we experience more, then trust me, irrespective of how much the temperature is, you're feeling a lot more warmer, right? So that is the reason why you need to go to the mountains. और आज we're talking about Manali. अगर आप मनाली जाना चाहते हो तो you need at least a minimum of 3 days trip plus आपका travel time. And if you're going from Delhi, I think it's just an overnight trip, right? Like आप रात को गाड़ी में बैठ सकते हो, बस ले लो and then you are in Manali in the morning. या फिर even if it's a great road trip as well. I think even Kullu airport is functional now, so you can even take a flight from Delhi to Kullu, but it's a little expensive. 7,500 रुपए की एक टिकट है. But I would tell you that the drive, right, to Manali is beautiful. Like throughout you will experience, or you'll see a river flowing through and it's just magical. You love the drive. So I would any day advise you to go by road. You know, when you visit a new place, right, you must like enjoy the local food, right? And there are a few things that you must try in Himachal. जब आप मनाली जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे you must try katha. I think I've got the pronunciation. I hope I've got the pronunciation right. But anyway, it's a crisp. It's crispy and it's made with pumpkin with a sprinkle of dry mango powder, like amchur powder, and it's excellent with rice. Like लोग अक्सर dinner के लिए या lunch के लिए खाते हैं, and it's delicious. The next thing you should try is babru. So ये basically कचौड़ी के जैसा है, but it also has stuffings, and इसमें दाल, 2 टाइप के दाल है और गुड़ भी है, and it's served with yummy tamarind chutney, imli ki chutney. I'm like, really, मेरे मुंह से पानी निकल रहा है when I'm just describing this. Just imagine garam chai, some babru, chutney, and cold weather, like ठंडी hawa on your face, and these beautiful mountains. यार, that is bliss. और क्या चाहिए ना लाइफ में. And yes, it's just not this. अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन है तो फिर you can definitely try cha gosh, which is basically lamb, and it's marinated with yogurt and gram flour. And there are also some very traditional main course in Himachal Pradesh, and that is tukdiya bhat, which is cooked with vegetables and mountain spices. या फिर यार, I think जब आप पहाड़ों पे जाते हो तो one thing you will definitely see or eat the most is Maggi. And I don't know why. मुझे लगता है कि ठंडी हवाएं and where there's mountain, वहाँ की Maggi, it tastes very different and it's delicious, right? And it's expensive too, but it's definitely worth a try. वैसे Manali also has some great cafes, like these are the cafes that have rich history and a very cute ambience. अगर आप शाम को explore करने के बाद just relax करना चाहते हो तो Johnson Cafe है. It's located on the Circuit House Road in Manali. वहाँ पे live gigs भी चलते रहते हैं, and they have a very beautiful garden ताकि you can have a drink and you can just sit in the garden and you can enjoy, and it's quite peaceful and quite nice. या फिर Cafe 1947, it's just across the bridge over to the old Manali strip of cafes and lifestyle homes. So Cafe 1947, it just comes across the bridge over to the old Manali strip, and it's a little cute Italian eatery. Apart from that, there's hookah, and you can also enjoy some risottos. Well, there are a lot of other things that you can do as well. अगर आप shopping करना चाहते हो या फिर अगर आप activities करना चाहते हो, like when I went to Manali, I definitely tried the paragliding, and I think that experience was something mind-blowing, very different, one of those experiences that I can never ever forget. Well, we'll talk more about that, and of course when we're talking about Manali, then Bollywood, like कितने सारे गाने वहाँ पे shoot किए गए हैं, कितनी सारी films have been shot there. Like while I was talking about cafes, I could think of the one that was shot in Jab We Met, where she goes to meet Anshuman. Yeah, just imagine a cafe like that. Lots of movies were shot there, and अगर आप एक Bollywood fan हैं तो आप मनाली जा सकते हो, and you can definitely recreate those scenes. वैसे जब आप मनाली जा रहे हो, and if you're a spiritual person, then there are some great temples as well, जैसे Hidimba Temple. It's the Asian temple of Manali, and it's located the bus stand, and it's one of the most famous temples there. And you know what, रोजा फिल्म थी, right, जिसमें मधु और अरविंद है, वो उसी टेम्पल में थोड़े सीन्स हैं वहाँ पे, तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो देयर. ये जवानी है दीवानी इज़ ऑल्सो shot there, जैसे कि रणबीर कपूर and Deepika Padukone, they are also talking about the wedding on the backdrop, the backdrop of this beautiful Hidimba temple. Also, do you remember Jab We Met, jab Shahid Kapoor is driving his jeep through Rohtang Pass with Kareena Kapoor, and that song was shot there. So it's also a very beautiful song, and a song that won an award as well. And while you are heading to Manali, you must visit Solang Valley. You can do a lot of adventure activities there, जैसे paragliding, camping, and if it's snowing, then skiing, zip line, and it's beautiful. It's something that you will thoroughly enjoy. And when we're talking about Manali, as I was telling you, the drive to Manali is amazing because there is a river flowing by, and it's very beautiful, and there are so many things that you can do. You can chill there, आप अच्छा खाना खा सकते हो, आप shopping कर सकते हो. वैसे यू नो शॉपिंग के लिए व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मॉल रोड जा सकते हैं आप. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ दिस शॉपिंग जोन्स, जैसे कि थाई मार्केट है, लामा अंडरग्राउंड है, न्यू MAC मार्केट, हांगकॉन्ग मार्केट है एंड अ लॉट मोर. वैसे कैश अगर आप जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे कैश ज़रूर लेके जाना, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द वेंडर्स देयर डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट कार्ड्स एंड आई डोंट थिंक UPI उतना अभी भी एक्टिव है. सो it's always better to carry some cash along with you. And of course there are some great museums as well. There's a lot of folk art there as well, so there is something for you in Himachal. When you go there, you're totally going to love it. So with that, we've come to the end of the show. मैं मिलूँगी आपसे कल. चलते चलते बस इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि जब आप मनाली जा रहे हो तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाई सम ग्रेट आर्ट्स, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स, ज्वेलरी, एंटीक्स एंड अगर आपको विंटर क्लोथ्स खरीदना है तो इट्स अगेन अ ग्रेट प्लेस बिकॉज यू विल गेट सम ग्रेट ऑप्शंस देयर एज वेल. चलो आप इजाज़त दीजिएगा, मैं मिलूँगी आपसे कल. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए, खुश रहिए और फटाफट से ना मनाली की प्लानिंग कीजिए.
ओरे मनवा तू तो बावरा है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है. बावरे क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद. कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजान रास्ते, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा. धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा.
Hello, Go Trippers! This is Ranveer Singh and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go!
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.